Welcome to Lab 8, the Balance and Agility Lab. Once you have tested the same 5 people that you used for the previous labs, you want to test these individuals' balance and agility. You want to place their scores in this Excel spreadsheet. The Excel spreadsheet you see right now is the balance test. So once you place the right stork stand on ground and the left stork stand on ground, and then the right stork stand on foam and the left stork stand on foam, which are all in seconds, what you're going to do next is insert a graph. So again, just like the previous labs that we were talking about, in order to insert a graph, so we're going to do a scatter plot. We're going to go to Insert, Scatter Plot, and so this is the difference between the right stork stand to the left stork stand, and then you're going to go to Design, Add Chart Element, and you're going to insert a trend line, a linear trend line. What I can do is change the minimum. Looks like we can start out at 60. And then that draws that out. And then what you want to do is insert, so you have that trend line, you want to insert the equation as well as the R squared to show the correlation. So this is the correlation of this is the R squared, which is the coefficient of determination. And if you take the square root of the R squared, you get the correlation coefficient. So you will do this with each test. So with the right stork stand compared to the left stork stand on ground, then you're going to do the right stork stand on ground versus the right stork stand on foam. Then you're going to look at the left stork stand on ground versus the left stork stand on foam. Those are the only graphs for this lab. After you have done those graphs, you would interpret it in the text box that I've given for you over here. Now let's move on to agility. So once you've done the 2 agility tests, what you're going to do is, and I've already put out a t-test to see if there's significant differences, you're going to select both Pro Agility no ball and Pro Agility with ball, so a basketball, and you're going to again insert a scatter plot graph, put the trend line as well as the regression equation, and then the coefficient of determination will also appear. And then once you're finished, you need to correlate or interpret the correlation and the t-test in this text box provided. And this is the end of Lab 8 for the Excel spreadsheet information.